Hey guys, sorry I haven't shot a update video for the Pirate River Quest. Although last video we did see a lot of things. That's part of it. It's also quite a distance from where I live. But here we are, and this opens in a little more than a month, so that'd be cool. Hopefully there's a preview I can go to, but we'll find out. I'm still really surprised this ride's going to go under this bridge because it's really low. But you know, they know what they're doing. The boats aren't here right now. I wonder what that means. So we've seen this dock before. I think it was finished, but here it is again. Last time we saw this, I don't believe the water was flowing, but they were just about finished, so that's new to me. Looks like they're keeping some of the wood planks. Looks like there's still some areas that are restricted, but I'll show you everything I can. Here's the area of the sunken pirate ship. Looks like everything is just about the same over here. Previously, these plants were in here. As you can see, they're rather new. You used to be able to walk through here, but since they've planted them, I'm not going to do that. However, the strange thing is you can walk down from up there. Aha! So this is new since last time. The previous storage area from when this was Cypress Gardens is rebuilt, and that is apparently where they're storing the boats now. Unfortunately, I don't believe we're going to see a test run today, but I've been pretty lucky with that lately. It looks like they're still working on that new storage area. Much higher roof than they had before. And the barricades are back. So check out the video on your screen right now to see a more detailed look at the new attraction coming very soon. As I can't shoot any more today because I'm not going to go around the barricades. They were gone last time, so But that is my video. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.